In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record expenses on Xero. If you're using Xero for your accounting needs, entering your expenses accurately is crucial for maintaining complete financial records. Let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First things first, you need to access your Xero account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your main hub in Xero, where you can explore and manage all the key features and functions. On your dashboard, there's a variety of menus designed to help you with different aspects of your business's finances. For this task, you'll want to focus on the Business tab. This specific section is where you can manage your financial transactions, including your expenses. Under the Business tab, you'll notice an option labeled Expense Claims. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you've arrived in the right section, you're ready to start adding a new expense. You'll see an option for New Expense. Select that, and you'll be prompted to choose an expense type next. Choose Expense Claim, which allows you to manually enter expenses. This is important because it ensures all your financial outgoings are documented appropriately. The next crucial step is to upload your receipt. This part is pivotal for justifying the expense, especially when audits come around. Click on the Upload button and select the receipt file that corresponds to the expense you're logging. Be sure the receipt is legible and captures all the necessary details. With your receipt uploaded, it's time to enter the specific details of the expense. Start by typing in the amount. It's important to enter the exact amount as stated on your receipt, since inaccuracies can lead to reconciliation issues later on. Then, provide a brief description of the expense. It could be something simple like lunch meeting with client or office supplies for Project X. Providing a clear description helps with both financial tracking and explanations. Following that, specify where the expense was incurred. In the Spent At field, enter the name of the vendor or place associated with the receipt. Next, set the date of the transaction. This is typically the date on the receipt or when the payment was made. The next step is selecting the appropriate account for the expense, which aids in categorizing it correctly within your accounting records. This ensures accurate financial reporting, so choose the account from the drop-down menu carefully. Finally, once all the details are filled in, you have three options: Save as Draft, Submit, or Approve. If you're not ready to finalize the entry yet, you can save it as a draft. If everything looks good and you're authorized, you can submit it or approve it straight away. And remember, if necessary, you can also record or itemize additional expenses separately to maintain clear records of each aspect of your financial outgoings. And that's it for recording expenses on Xero. With these steps, you can ensure your financial records on Xero are comprehensive and current. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting!